Hello, my name is Dora Avilez, and the topic that I chose was how is physics related to my field study. I am currently going for a bilingual teacher, EC through 6. So even though physics isn't a major contribution to my field study, it is still very important, just like science. Okay, so importance of physics in my field study. Like I said, although it is an important or a major center of what I'm going for, it is still important to teach the little ones, such as the ones that aren't even in school, like they're probably in daycare, but they are learning things, what the concept of physics is, especially because it is incorporated into their daily lives, such as the things that they see, the things that they do, and they may also have questions about why or how does it happen. I believe that the earlier that we get the child into physics or introduced to physics, the better it is for not only then and there in that whatever grade level they are, but also in their future education and the decisions that they will make, such as what they want to go for when they grow up or what they want to study. Topics of interest for students. I believe that motion, rainbows, the games that they play, the things that they do, such as running or playing recess or anything like that, magnets, electricity, how colors are created, are some of the most important things for children and some of the things that they may have questions about in the classroom. And as teachers, I believe that we should be able to at least give them an answer, because I think that students believe that teachers know everything, especially the young ones. So the more knowledge that we have, especially with science, because that's more of a hands-on subject, the better it is for not only us and not only the student, but for us as well. Another one of my slides is physics relations to daily life. Like I said, there are many things that the children see and what they do, such as the rainbows, that one of the things that we studied for in our book, how do they come to be, how are colors created, like the primary, secondary colors. Those are all things that the children might be wondering about, especially in the younger stages, because a lot of the things that they do in the classroom involves coloring or involves using different colors to color coordinate what they're doing, which makes it easier for them to understand what's going on in the classroom. Also, my last slide consists of physics for classroom and pictures, which is I show some of the projects that could be done in the classroom. Some may be for older grade levels, but we can also include the younger grade levels because they start doing experiments since kindergarten, which I believe is better for them, because the more hands-on that they have in the classroom, the better they are able to retain the new information. So instead of having to repeat the information over and over again, it sticks with them because they can relate it to something that they did or something that they saw, which also relates to why they want to know about physics in the first place, because of electricity, which they see in their daily lives. The colors, there's colors everywhere. So I believe that having these kind of topics for the students is very important, and this is why I chose the topic for my essay, because I believe that even though physics isn't taught until high school, it is very important to get the students into physics or into science in general and let them expand their horizons and not only think of the science that's being taught for their grade level, but to think above that, above and beyond that, because that leads to them making decisions in what they want to be when they grow up or what they want to study for, because in their early years is when they decide what they like, what they don't like, such as in subjects like they may hate math but they may love science, and as teachers we have to do the best to get the students to enjoy everything, but not just have fun and games, but to also learn as well, but not have it boring. But yes, this was my presentation and I really enjoyed it.